The ninth eruption in the Svartsengi volcanic system of the Reykjanes Peninsula in the Iceland started with a sharp rise, signaling the start of the earthquake swarms. A few hours after that, we had the magma reaching the surface, erupting like this. A few craters were formed, up to 10 of them were active. Then only one remained active. Had a lot of events, spillage, breakage of the walls, and explosive episodes. Then last night, on the 9th of the 21st, and today in the 22nd, we can see that the volcano has no lava visible. We have fumaroles, which are these gases you see here. They are pollution around that area, but there is no seismic activity in the vicinity of that. What we are seeing here is practically just the weather shaking the ground. Most of the activity is in the Krýsuvík, around the Krýsuvík, in the lake clear forward. We can see also in the interferometrograms that you see that from the few days up to now, the land uplift has almost is non-existent. As you can see, it's quite calm and known event. Although we have a slight rise in the HSO2 GPS data showing that it is steeper than what you can see in the Svartsengi GPS station, which is much milder and shallower rise, although it is a rise yet. So we may have another eruption yet waiting, probably in the autumn. This is the accumulation HSO2, where the mountain, where the hill is there in the range word written there. That means the magma is entering the reservoir and not exiting. The gas pollution in the vicinity of the volcano is possible. This is the risk assessment or hazard, or I should say. The hazard of the falling into the lava, walking on the thin and freshly solidified lava still exists. At the edge of it, it may also spill over, break, and come forward. People around it will be in danger. This is all that we have to say at the moment. This is also the Icelandic Meteorological Office update on this issue. So the ninth eruption is over. And this was the 12th in the series of the eruptions that we have in the Reykjanes Peninsula from the 2021. So this one is over, and we have seen all the events repeating themselves almost in all these cases. Drone footages show no activity within the crater of the volcano, so that is also certain. And for the moment, this seems is over. Until the next time, we will see what will happen. Magma accumulation, as I said, is continuing, and we have also building of the reservoir in the Krýsuvík volcanic system.